Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're on the hunt for a facial serum that promises to plump, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of fine lines, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking a close look at the Advanced Facial Serum with vitamin B3 and hyaluronic acid, a lightweight formula designed to improve skin texture and deliver lasting hydration. This 30mm serum combines powerful ingredients like niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, two heavyweights in the skincare world. Niacinamide, or vitamin B3, is renowned for its ability to refine skin texture, diminish fine lines, and even out skin tone. Hyaluronic acid, on the other hand, works its magic by attracting moisture, keeping your skin hydrated and fresh throughout the day. The texture is smooth and gel-like, absorbing quickly into the skin without any greasy residue, which makes it perfect for layering with other products in your routine. When it comes to incorporating this serum into your daily regimen, I found that it's very easy to apply. Just a few drops, and it glides on beautifully. It doesn't feel heavy or sticky, which is often a concern with hydrating serums. After using it for a couple of weeks, I noticed a visible improvement in my skin's smoothness and hydration levels. The fine lines around my eyes seemed to appear a little softer, and my skin overall felt more plump and balanced. There are some key strengths to consider here. The formula is lightweight and quick absorbing, making it ideal for those with busy mornings or evenings. The inclusion of niacinamide really helps with the texture of the skin, and the hyaluronic acid ensures that you won't experience any tightness or dryness after use. Plus, it's dermatologically tested and free from harsh additives, making it suitable for a variety of skin types, including sensitive skin. However, while the serum is effective, I did notice that it might not provide as intense a moisture boost for extremely dry skin types. If you're dealing with very dry patches or dehydration, you might want to layer it with a richer moisturizer. That being said, it delivers solid hydration for most skin types, and its texture is light enough to be used year-round. In terms of value for money, the Advanced Facial Serum offers decent performance for its price point. While it's not the most affordable serum out there, the combination of niacinamide and hyaluronic acid justifies the cost, especially for those who want a balanced, non-greasy hydration solution. When comparing it to other serums in the same range, it holds its own, particularly for those who want a more lightweight texture and easy absorption. This product's build quality is on par with what you would expect from a well-made serum. The packaging is simple but effective, with a secure pump to ensure the product stays hygienic and easy to dispense. Now, if you're wondering about alternatives, there are other options available that offer similar benefits at a lower price, like the Ordinary's Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5. While it might not have the same luxurious feel, it delivers a comparable level of hydration and is well suited for budget-conscious shoppers. So does this serum live up to its promises? Overall, it's a great option if you're looking for a lightweight, effective serum to hydrate, refine skin texture, and target fine lines. I would recommend it to anyone with normal to dry skin or those looking for a simple addition to their skincare routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've used this serum, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.